For years they were voiceless and fearful of their father. Today Melissa and Amy are in charge of their lives.
I loved my dad. I adored him. I looked up to him. I thought he was the best thing ever. So I trusted him. So I didn't really understand. I didn't like it. I can remember crying. But it was like Dad was just in his own world. You know, he just continued doing what he wanted to do.
The word stop meant nothing to their father, Jerry O'Keefe, a former corporal in the Irish Army.
I don't like him. I don't like him. I've no more to do with him, do you know what I mean? He's dead to me, I suppose.
I still love my dad. And I know people might think that's just mental, but I do. I looked up to him. I don't understand. I would say to him, why? I had an opportunity to confront my dad a few years ago, and I did. And I asked him, I said, do you remember abusing me, Dad? And he said, I do, girl. Like I had just said something so casual. You know, he's very flippant about it all. You know, it's like, I would ask him why, I didn't deserve this. My innocence to be taken away from me, Melissa's. It's not fair.
Growing up, neither sister knew the other was being abused until both made complaints to the Gardaí.
He said he did it because it happened to him.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? That's what we used to get told. It's like, oh, it happened to me. You know, it was okay for what he did to us because it happened to him.
Anytime I tell someone, it is difficult. There's very few people that know the actual details of the abuse because, like I said, it's embarrassing. You know, I mean, my plan is to hand back all those horrible feelings, the shame, the embarrassment, the guilt, give them all back to Dad. You know, looking back at pictures of my dad and thinking why, you know, I thought I was Daddy's girl. I was heartbroken when my dad actually told me, no, you weren't. You know, and then Melissa said to me, she thought she was Daddy's girl as well. And I just thought, that can't be right. I was his girl.
Amy, who was raped by her father over a number of years, and Melissa, whom he sexually assaulted also over a lengthy period, urge all victims to seek help and report the crime.
It's never too late, and I think these two women have really shown that, and I really admire them, the way they kept at it, kept holding on. They had a horrific life, a horrific childhood, but they kept going. This is going on for years, and they finally have justice.
Both Melissa and Amy have children of their own today and are extremely protective of those who mean the world to them. Paul Byrne, 3 News, Cork.